how you can change your Twitch profile picture from mobile phone. So first thing first, let's open the Twitch app. And once you open it, you will be able to see the interface on in the screen. So now you can see there is profile option at the bottom right corner of this home page. So just tap on that profile option, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see your profile interface in here. So you can see there is edit profile at the top right corner. So just tap on that edit profile, and once you tap on it, you will be able to see profile picture in here. So you simply need to tap on that edit icon, which is at the right side. So once you tap on the edit icon, you can simply take a photo, or you can also choose your photo from your gallery by tapping on the choose existing photo. So you can simply change your Twitch profile picture from this option in here. So basically this is how, and this is the process to change your Twitch profile picture from mobile phone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.